When things get frozen over, it can bring your job to a screeching halt. And sometimes, the best way to break the ice is smashing it into pieces, which is why we're getting trackers back on the road with this week's featured product, the Break-Free Safety Bar. During sub-zero temperatures, heavy-duty tractors and trailers can have their brake shoes freeze to the brake drum, making it near impossible to have the brakes disengage on their own. Normally, it would be up to the driver to crawl underneath the rig and either whack the drum with a hammer or melt the ice away with a heat torch. With both those options having some serious safety concerns, a good old Canadian trucker came up with the Break-Free Safety Bar, a tool to get the same job done without having to drag themselves under a truck or trailer chassis. Made right here in the true frozen north, it's constructed out of solid stainless steel, so it won't rust or corrode if some snow or slush gets splashed on it. With its curved design, the safety bar works by sliding the tool through the outside rim and making contact with the frozen drum. Once aligned with the center axle, you simply draw back the impact bar, and with the help of the guide tube, a precise hit to the brake drum will be enough to shatter the ice and release the frozen brake. Simply break free and you're on the road again. So get out from under the truck and off the dirty ground, all thanks to this week's Canadian featured product, the Break-Free Safety Bar. How do you get your frozen brakes loose? Let me know in the comments below, and give our channel a like to learn more about many unique featured products in the future. Thanks for watching!